Welcome to this episode of Mommy SeaStar. We're going to do a fun, quick video for you today with a little bit of an experiment. I have 3 colors here, and I purposefully made them different consistencies. This one, this purpley grayish one, that's going to be the thickest. The white has the most dilution in it, so it has a lot of rubbing alcohol and the marbling medium. And then this one's kind of in the middle. So you have a variety of consistencies in the paint. And I don't know what's gonna happen. I got my cup here, and we're gonna do this pretty quickly and see how it turns out. You ready for this? John Paul, you wanna watch? All right, you better come quickly. Here it goes. All right, you ready? 1. Can you help me count?
1, 2, 3.
Hey. Look how cool that is inside there. Whoa. Now with this one, let's go like this here. Ooh. And here. And then go like this.
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? I got some paint cells. Look at that. I've been trying to get paint cells for weeks. I think we hit on something. I think when you put the paint at different consistencies, some of the paint will go to the top, some to the bottom, some will come up slowly. I don't know, son. Look how cool that looks. Ah, look at that one. Then I'll put some white around the edge like that, but I want to leave it like that because that looks super cool, and it'll continue to dry and change. So that's what happens when you mix your paint at different consistencies.